Hey guys! Today I have 3 massive Squishy Supplier packages to open up. So I'm just gonna open up the first box. Here's the second box. So the first squishies that I got are these Jane cake roll squishies. And you guys know that this is one of my favorite squishies that I have in my collection. And this one comes in this really nice packaging. And as you can see, it is very slow rising. And it smells like vanilla cake. And next I got these Castella cakes. And these are also scented like cake. And then I got these adorable little chocolate bar squishies. And if I haven't mentioned yet, all of the squishies in this supplier package are by Jane. But yeah, here is the normal chocolate bar and then the white chocolate bar. And these have a really amazing texture. And then here is the tag. And these are scented like chocolate, by the way. And I just love how adorable and tiny these are. And next up I have a bunch of these onigiri squishies, and there are a total of 6 different designs, but they all come in this kind of packaging. So here's the salmon rice ball, and as you can see it has the detailed rice texture. And here we have the mentaiko flavor, and this is the plum flavor. And then we have the kayaku mixed rice flavor. This one's the grilled rice ball. And finally, chicken mixed rice. And it comes with the ball chain in a separate little bag. And here's the squishy out of packaging. It is super soft and slow rising. And this kind of smells like sweet bread. And next up I got these jumbo ice cream wafer squishies. So I got the chocolate and vanilla flavor. And this is what the fillings look like. And I love the packaging for this, and they're pretty slow rising. And next I got these chocolate cake squishies, and they kind of look like choco pies. And again, the ball chain comes in a separate little bag, and I really love the texture of this. It is super doughy and slow rising. I also got these strawberry crepe squishies. It smells like a vanilla crepe and it's super slow rising. I also got these eclair squishies. So we have the chocolate and strawberry flavor. And there's the icing dripping on the side. I also got these milfoil pastries. Super slow rising. And the final squishy that I got in stock are these Japanese cheesecake squishies. And this smells like a really sweet cake, and it's also huge. This is what it looks like compared to my hand. And then I just got a few samples, so I got this okonomiyaki squishy. And I got these cute little strawberries. But yeah, these are the squishies that I got, and if you're interested in purchasing, then make sure to check out my website, ketchupgiri.shop. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!